Hello and welcome to Rain and Rail Enthusiast as we continue this series along the railway line. To see which station we're at today, let's go to Future John with the map.
Thanks John. We'll be going along the South East Mainline, which starts at Charing Cross and Cannon Street in the northwest hand part of the map, down to Dover Priory in the southeast corner of the map. In part 1 of this series we'll be going along the line from Sandling to Marden, missing out Ashford International as we're only looking at smaller stations along this line. And today we're at Marden. Opened in 1842 by the South Eastern Railway Company, Marden soon grew into quite an important station on the line. Eventually there were many sidings carrying such items such as hops and apples, plus various other agricultural items, including cattle. 8 cottages were constructed for the railway workers needed to staff the station through the day, and of course the station master had one of his own. This map shows Marden as it was around the 1950s, and it gives you an idea of how many sidings were available at the station. The majority of freight stopped at Marden in 1963, mainly due to the spread of the UK motorway network, but also due to the line being electrified. The new station building was erected in 1987 and is of a contemporary brick design not dissimilar to that at Headcorn, albeit smaller. The interior is functional and clean with a small refreshment kiosk. However, the whole of it is only staffed on a part-time basis, mainly in the mornings. At time of filming, passenger traffic is provided by Class 375 electric multiple units. The station has an electronic ticketing machine, platform information boards and posters, including the Onward Travel Information Board. And the front of the station building also has information posters as well as a post box. Dot matrix displays can be found on both platforms, as well as a selection of waiting shelters. The statistics for Marden are that it opened in 1842. At time of filming it has 1 train per hour in both directions off-peak and at weekends, with additional services during the peak times, and the entry and exit figures for 2019-2020 were 565,472. To look at Marden station today, you would not believe how large it once was. However, a charming new station building makes this station a pleasant visit, albeit not blessed with many facilities. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much for watching.